Hi there, I'm Bayan Alloush, a second-year TESL student with DAFI at LIU. Today, we're gonna have an English workshop and a day full of fun with friends. The whole day, we're gonna use only English language. Our workshop today is all built on games. We want students to be more comfortable while using their language. We don't want them to stay afraid from having mistakes like an accent, grammatical mistakes, or pronunciation. All of that was done with the support of DAFI team. Let's start the fun.
Hello, my name is Amina. I'm a second-year DAFI student studying computer science in Beirut campus. In fact, being here, attending this workshop and this session is a great chance for us, first of all, to see each other, especially we study in different campuses. And moreover, it's a great chance to study with one of our colleagues and improve our English conversation.
I am Sidman, second-year computer science. I like to join this awesome workshop. It was fun, enjoyable, interesting, and encouraging and motivating. It helps me to overcome my shyness.
Hello, my name is Lama. I'm studying graphic design at LIU Khiara campus. Today I'm here to support my friend Bayan. I really like the board game, which helped ignite something in my brain and made synonyms pop in my brain so rapidly and swiftly, and it helped us discover إنه everyone إنه وين عنده strengths بالإنجليش وين عنده lack.
My name is Hamza. I'm a second-year computer science student. So the most entertainment and useful thing throughout the day is the part of to guess a picture. So this helps me to boost my presence, especially throughout the sessions with the DAFI Robotics Club. So I really appreciate this day, and we want to attend more workshops like this.
Yousef, second-year computer science student. Today was very engaging since I engaged with the community. We played games, we completed activities. It was very nice, and the best part of today was the guess game. I think it helped me with English. I don't know, I think I got benefit from it, and we enjoyed playing it actually.